Here is a quick workaround on how you can fix audio delay in OBS. You know that situation where you are talking and then you discover that your voice is not totally in sync with your audio. Now, that is one major issue that most people usually experience, and this is called audio delay. So, meaning that your audio is, like milliseconds apart from your video. And a quick show is like this. You can see this. You can see that. Well, this is how you can deal with it right inside your OBS. Now, this is my OBS interface, right? So what I simply need to do is, this is my audio, which I've already captured using the mic and auxiliary inputs, because that is my microphone right here. So what I will do is come over here where it says audio mixer. Then you are going to click on this three dots, and then you are going to click on advanced audio properties. Make sure that the monitor and outputs are both on, so that you'll be able to at least hear yourself and also output to your external sources. What you simply need to do is, here where it says sync offset, we are going to input a certain number, and then we are going to try it out to see. We are going to input 200, right? And then we'll say close, right? So if I clap, you see, it's almost in sync. Like you can barely even see that, but then I still feel like I can still do more, just for you to be precise. So I'll just go up a little bit more, so that I'll be able to get something out of it. Ordinarily I would have put 300, but let me go with 250, because that 200 is almost like, so you see, if I clap again, so once I am done, you see that this second one I did, which is the 250. Now, in your own condition, you might, play around with that number to see what works for you. Sometimes you even need to take it up to 300, 400, depending on how slow or how fast your audio is off sync with your video. So with that is how you get rid of that issue. I hope this actually helped you out. Please, if you did, do make sure to give me a follow, like this video, share, and also drop your comments. Let me know what you feel. And we also have important tutorials that you might find very appealing, that can help you to upscale your media. Please do make sure, if you also want to get a one-on-one help from me, you can look out for link to the description to my to my WhatsApp channel or my WhatsApp group right under this video description. Through that medium, you'll be able to contact me, and I'll be able to help you out. Check out all of our other videos. All the links will be in the description. Till I see you again, have a pleasant time.